Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. Today's reading is going to be different, Capricorn. I'll be picking cards for those who are single, guys, and for those who are in a connection. So first cards for those who are in a connection, and these are for those who are single, guys, Capricorn. So let's start with the first set of cards, guys. We have Star, Messenger of Air, and Page of Fire. So for those who are in a relationship, you have that a particular way of dealing your situation, guys, but today you are changing the way you are behaving, the way you are thinking. Maybe this love is changing you, so you have a clear idea what is going to work, what is going to take you in a positive way, towards that positive way in this love, guys. And you are a person who has great dreams, and this person is the person of your dreams. So you are simply happy to be with them, to be in this connection with them, guys. So you have that inspiration and hope in your heart about future with this person. So for some of you guys, Capricorn, you are planning your future with them, planning marriage, commitment, or engagement with this person. So you have confidence in them, and you have trust. This person is trustworthy, or this may be your energy or their energy in this relationship. And you are changing the way you are thinking today, guys. This love is giving you that experience, what you need, what you need to do the right way to go about in your love situation, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, for those who are in a connection. Let's see what are these cards for those who are single. We have 7 of Fire, 6 of Fire, 10 of Air. So for those who are single, guys, you maybe in your past you know the right thing to do. Your past experience has given you some kind of clarity, and you are ready for a new love, for a new connection, but you have that thought in your mind that you have to hold on, be patient, wait, so that the person may understand your way. So it takes time for any relationship to flourish. So today you are telling yourself that you need to be patient in your future love, in your future connection, guys. And maybe the past relationship, whatever struggles you have faced, it has changed the ways you are thinking today, guys. So you have learned your lessons, and you are ready for this new love as a changed person. So that is what I see, guys, Capricorn, with these cards. For those who are single, you are waiting still, guys. I don't see a new person coming very soon for you all, guys. So that is the reading for you all. If you want more clarity in your situation, You can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be like a pick a card. So, this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. So, you can meditate for a few seconds in silence, then close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, your first card. Let's see what it is. Commitment, such a beautiful card here for you all today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So this energy with this card is that sometimes we stop seeing life as it is, that is there each and every moment right before us, guys, engaging us, and we can become careless sometimes. We do not what to say have that attention for how things are going, and we do so many things. We force certain circumstances or certain things that need not be forced, because when we do that we are emotionally struggling, and in our heart of hearts we will be troubled, and this can make our way seem uncertain, and doubts will crowd upon our heart. So we will be doubtful whether what we expect is going to come towards us or not. So we need to trust in the universe, guys, and give up the fear surrounding our desires. So we should allow life to move us, not we should not try moving life. So that is the way forward in the life path. So that is what needs to be seen by you right now with this card, guys. You need to have that clarity, that certainty. So you should not doubt what you're feeling right now. Maybe that is true. Maybe deep in your heart you may have certain thoughts. So that is the truth and it is real. And you are being led in that particular way. Maybe in your heart of hearts you know certain things, and you may have you may incline towards that path or towards that action. When that happens, you have to go for it, guys. So today you just simply need to take each step at a time and live in the present moment. When you do that, you will have so much peace, stillness, happiness in your heart, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, this Rumi oracle card, guys, and it comes with a few lines of poetry. So I will read the poetry and I will end the reading for this card. The awakened heart is like a lantern. Keep it sheltered from the turbulence of the winds of desire. Rumi. So that is the poetry, guys. So let's see. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. So we will start with the second card for those who have chosen this card. We will see what it is. It is Kyanite, that is the oracle spirit, the crystal spirit for you all today, guys. And this crystal, it stands for resolving disputes, having that diplomacy and restoring harmony in our situation, mending the fences and building bridges. So this is an excellent time for us to fix all that sore notes that have appeared in our relationship, in our life, resolving any disputes and healing any rifts once and for all. So we can have our own way and we will gain tremendous support when we let go of our rigid my way or the highway attitude. So sometimes we have to recognize that we are all imperfect. So no need to worry about that. And when we tune into others, try to work with other people in our life, we work towards harmony. So we are all, though we are all imperfect, we should have that fairness towards the people we are in relationship with, guys, or in our family. So love and commitment to fairness is what is going to heal us today, and that is what uh, is this oracle's guidance. So we have to go for that healing energy today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.